And that police car driving erratically there is not being driven by a police officer. A man driving by realized it when he saw the Sacramento police vehicle barrel into a parking lot. The driver followed the car, called 911, and then rolled on his new dashboard camera as the car wove in and out of traffic lanes. The driver eventually stopped at a convenience store to buy beer. And that's when the man who was recording him in that car made a citizen's arrest before the police showed up.